Okay, so I'm the crazy lady that goes into Menards and gets all of these samples. I grabbed some tile ones, different colors, and I grabbed different wood ones. See, they were free.
When I went to the checkout, I said, yeah, I just want to see the different samples that I can put on my floor. And they were okay with that.
So I gathered so many of them. Now, I'm gonna use hot glue, and I have a regular wood base, and I'm gonna start gluing those together. See? And once I start gluing them, you're just gonna keep layering them. So it's done.
Super dimensional. I love staggered. It's a piece of modern art for free and hot glue.
You don't have to remove the stickers. You got a little board. I could have cut it probably way straighter, and a box cutter would have worked better too. And the sticker came off of this one. But I thought I would share with you guys. I also grabbed these.
Because it said free sample, and I love free.
Little white tile ones. See? The biggest tip that I wish I would have paid attention when I was gluing these was peel this off. But I rushed through stuff, so I didn't.